I am Goose.
I'm Logan.
We're award wieners.
Yeah.
So we are back here at Disney's California Adventure getting some hot dogs at Award Wieners.
Yep.
If you've not been here, it's like right in Hollywoodland, right near, what is it?
Right next to
Philhar Magic. So if you hear them calling for people over here, you know that.
That's why.
Yeah.
It's just such and such minutes till the next show.
So, but it's really cool. It's nice and shaded here.
Ariel's trying to be part of a world.
As I was just saying.
Yep.
But we're gonna kick back, have some hot dogs, and enjoy some a little treat for the
We got funnel cake fries.
Food and Wine Festival. So time to eat.
Yep.
All right, so we're here at Award Wieners. We did the mobile ordering, and we got 4 of these. What are these? Bacon
dogs. Bacon street dogs.
Bacon street dogs. But Madison decided to get these fries.
Spiral fries.
Madison was the one who decided to get
A chili, like a something chili dog.
chili dog. So, and then we got some blueberry like fries.
Funnel cake fries?
Funnel cake fries that are what we're all gonna dig in. So let's get to eating. All right, your first thoughts? Yeah.
I don't know if there's like a spicy ketchup they had on there, but it's got a kick to it. You know what I'm talking about?
I do.
But they're very good. And these fries, they're curly fries and thick fries, thick
look
curly
like-
fries.
Can I just say they look like potato chips on steroids?
Yeah. Kind of what they are.
But they're tasty. I'd ask Maddie how her hot dog is, but she just said every time I like come to her for something.
15 minutes until our next show.
But yeah, let me give you a look at this. This thing is just, look at all the bacon and the peppers. And this is not a bun. This is more like, what would you say, like a sandwich roll. I mean, this is delicious. You've had yours yet? Miss Cindy?
Not yet.
Not yet? Skylar's over here just chowing on fries first. Now she's doesn't have food in her mouth. How's your chili dog?
Spicy.
Spicy?
My lips are chapped and it really hurts.
Is it McDonald's Sprite spicy?
And it has corn cheese. You said it has like potato chips on it?
Yeah. Got chili.
Oh, nice. A little bit of onions, corn chips.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like a Frito boat on a hot dog.
Yeah. So, wanted to give you another look at this hot dog. Again, look at all the peppers, onions, bacon. There's a little bit of, everybody kind of agrees at the table, there's a kind of sauce or ketchup on it that's a little spicy.
A little bit.
A little bit.
It's like chili sauce, but with hot sauce added into it.
Yeah. So, what do you think? You kind of agree with that?
I would also agree with that. It is spicy.
It's a little spicy. Got a little kick to it.
Chili's really, really spicy.
Yeah.
It's really good though.
Good? It's good?
It's good.
I scooped off the spicy sauce and put some mayonnaise on it. Bring the spice level down just a wee bit.
Not gonna lie, these are pretty good. However, the funnel cake fries are a little chewy. So we don't know if that was like on purpose, if they did it on purpose, or if they accidentally overcooked them, or they're overcooked. They're overcooked.
Or if they're stale.
Stale.
I think they're supposed to be light, you know?
They are actually.
These aren't.
I will say though, the sweetness of the blueberry is kind of like, I don't know, what do you say, that kind of make up for it a little bit.
Yeah.
But they are kind of chewy, and because remember the last time we got these, they were like a chili, like lime funnel cake fries.
That was the
Villain's
night
night.
only.
And they were like nice and crispy and light. But
These ones are just crispy and crunchy.
yeah. Show you another look at these fries. Look at these. These are not like fries. These are like
Wedges.
wedges. Yeah, they're like wedges. They're thick. Big potatoes. But
This is a whipped cream overload.
giving you one last look at my hot dog. A couple of chips left. Logan demolished his.
Yep.
And
Very good.
very good. Very good. A lot of bacon, a lot of peppers.
Lots of spicy ketchup, which was an interesting surprise, but
Yeah.
I like it.
And your thoughts on the funnel cake fries?
Aside from being overdone, very good. Whipped cream, the blueberries, delicious.
This Cindy over here would say we should get a spoon for all the whipped cream. I mean, they do. They give us like a bunch of whipped cream.
whipped cream and
Because there's crispy bacon and maple syrup and blueberries and whipped cream. So we can't leave that all on the plate.
No, we can't. It must be gone. Before I go, Madison, how's your chili dog?
Good, but I'm in pain. I'm going to regret this later.
I said you would.
Right
How's your
behind
chili
us.
dog?
Huh?
How's your chili dog?
It's really good.
Really good.
This hurts.
Last but not least.
I liked the hot dog, but it was a little hot because of the sauce.
Yeah. A little spicy.
I still feel subtle heat. It's like a kindling campfire.
Have some of the funnel cake fries. That'll help.
Yeah, if they're overdone and chewy, then yeah.
Well, that was still pretty good.
That was very good.
Yeah,
because we decided to come back here because we came here, what was it, on Villains Night?
Villains
we were
Night.
like, we've been missing out on this place. They got some really good hot dogs.
I remember the days when award winners served just plain hot dogs that you put mustard and ketchup on, relish, and that was it. Now it's like
Now you got like bacon street dogs, Cubano dogs, chili dogs, all other kinds of dogs, but
Yeah.
not like dachshunds or terriers. Not those kind of dogs.
They've also got asada fries. They got regular fries. We didn't bother with those because all our fries came with our
Yeah,
our
the fries
food,
came with the hot dogs.
the hot dogs. But those didn't seem like fries to me.
Those
seemed
were like thick potato chips.
like thick potato chips. But man, they were still all good. The only thing we had to kind of challenge with is it was a little spicy.
Yeah, they had that weird spicy ketchup stuff on there, which caught all of us off guard.
But still, all pretty good. So Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where'd they go?
If you want to find all the links to our social medias, you can find them at withcody.com/@travelbynature. They can find the links to our podcasts, our Twitter pages, our Instagram, our TikTok, and we also have an Ask Me Anything tab and a tip jar if you're so generous.
Yep. And if they want to help out the channel, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to your friends.
Yeah, share it to Goofy.
Yeah!
And what else can they do?
If you really like our content, you can consider becoming a member of our channel. Where you can do that, be on the home screen of our channel right next to the subscribe button. There'll be a little button that says join. We have 3 tiers, one $4.99, one $7.99, one $9.99. Yeah, if you enjoy our content, please consider helping us out there.
Yeah, and now we're gonna do one video a week exclusively just for our members. In fact, we already got a video this coming week for our members of us.
Yep.
We got an
In-show exit
In-show
on
exit.
Grizzly River Rapids.
Yeah, which is the first time I've ever gotten off a ride like that.
Yep.
So it'll be interesting. But with that being said, from here at award readers at Disney's California Adventure, I am Goose.
I'm Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.